Valet is an excellent choice to help you maximize your pantry storage. Our talented designers ensure your pantry is designed so that everything you need is easily accessible and in its place. This pantry features corner shelving that is adjustable. The pantry is also reinforced so that the shelves will never bow. Rollout trays conveniently allow you to reach any item you need without moving other items out of the way. A rollout appliance shelf is great for heavier items, such as mixers. Canvas-lined baskets are ideal for items like oven mitts and towels. Wine cubbies are great for reusable water bottles. Vertical dividers allow you to neatly store baking sheets and cutting boards. We can adjust the shelving depth to clear common obstructions in pantries, such as light switches, and provide clearance to door casings. Valet can accomplish this without compromising the rest of the pantry storage. You can add common accessories like hooks to keep your brooms and aprons organized and off the floor. Visit us at valetcustom.com to make your dream pantry become a reality.